So if you are new to the Stanbic investment app, or maybe you just updated to the latest version and you are confused, or you don't even know where to start about investing with Stanbic, this video is for you. In this step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you everything from downloading your app from the App Store to creating your account, funding your wallet, making your first investment, and even how to withdraw your money. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use the app from start to finish, and even where to invest and how to weigh your risk tolerance. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to visit either Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for Stanbic IBTC Mobile App 3.0 and you will see the app. Then you click on it and you click download, then install. So if you are opening the app for the first time, you will either have to sign in with your existing account or you have to create a new account. If you are creating a new account, they may ask you for referral code. You are welcome to use my code right here. It will not cost you anything, and the little change they give, the little points they give can help support the channel. Thank you. So now we'll move to registration. So once you install the app and click open, you will see a lot of things: my bank, BluNest, pension, and the rest. Just the one we are interested in is the second one, which is BluNest. You click on it. So when you click on it, they will ask you to create an instant account. That's if you don't already have an account. You just create an instant account. When you click on the create an instant account, you say get started. You enter your name, your phone number. Of course, make sure you have your phone number, your email address, and even your BVN. So once you enter the everything and you click next, they will send you an OTP. So if they send you an OTP, you enter it, and from there you follow the prompts. So once everything has been sorted and your account has been created, then you have to log in with the details you have. So once you log in, the first thing you will see is your homepage. Homepage is where you will see the summary of all your investments in one place. So if you invested in Naira or dollar, or you both of them will show. They will appear here. You will also notice a pie chart that gives you a quick overview of your money as is distributed across the investment. For instance, if you have maybe like a dollar or money market fund or any other this thing, the pie chart will show the percentage of your investments. After homepage, the next button is wallet. Under the wallet, once you click wallet, it will bring you to fund wallet. So this one, if you want to top up your wallet with available option, maybe like bank transfer and everything, you find it here when you click it. Then another one is transfer fund. For instance, if you want to move fund out of your wallet, you click on it for more option. Then if you want to buy fund, top up your existing fund or buy new one, when you click on this one, you will see the options of many things you can buy, maybe like a money market fund or balance fund. You can choose from there. That's how you can fund your wallet and then choose investment. So after that, the next button is invest. Under this invest, you will see a lot of investment you can choose from, investment option you can choose from. You can see something like a Sharia fund, Stanbic IBTC Guarantee Investment Fund. You can see something like money market fund. You can see something like enhanced fixed income fund. And when you go further, you can see a lot more. If you want the detail on how to choose which one, how to check your risk appetite, you can skip to around from 5 minutes, I think. The next button is redemption. So if you want to withdraw your investment, is this redemption you click. For instance, if you already have the investment and you just want to withdraw, tap on the redemption. You will be given a different option. For instance, you can redeem directly to your wallet, switch your money to another fund, top up another fund from this one, they are available. Or you can also transfer the redeemed fund into an existing bank account. For instance, a bank that has been that was linked when you register, you can transfer your fund into it. So another feature I like about this the new app is that you have an option to redeem immediately. You can also schedule your redemption for future date. For example, if you need your money, if you know you will need your money like next week or 2 weeks, you can set a date in advance when the money will land in your account. For instance, if you need the money like next week and you know that if you redeem the money within the 20 now and tomorrow that you will spend it, you can schedule a redemption for next week. The final tab is the auto invest. At the time of making this video, the Steam market is coming soon. We just hope that it comes soon, because if you are investing automatically, it will help you stay consistent. Once they make it available, I will let you know.
And also, if you want to change anything, maybe like your information here is the general service where you can generate a reference letter, generate account statements, then order, that's what you ordered, maybe the detail of your transaction. Then to view fund price, different fund price, you can click here. When you click here, to show you the price of different funds, everything that they have so far. Then here you can get annual reports. Here, if you have any question, you can check through this place. Then I've answered a lot of questions. Here is their office location. Here you can share app. Then there you can log out.
Now that you know how to navigate the app, the next question is, what investment should you actually choose? Stanbic offers several investment options, and each one is designed for a different type of investor. So let's take a quick look at each fund, the level of risk involved, and who it's most suitable for. Let's start with the fixed income fund. Stanbic groups its investment product into two broad categories: the fixed income fund and the equity-based fund. So the first one on the fixed income fund, which are the investment that people with low risk tolerance can invest in, is money market fund. The money market fund is for people who don't want to take much risk. Put your money in a very safe place like treasury bills and other low risk investment. It's a good choice if you want your money to grow steadily, but you don't want to take much risk. Then the next product on the list is the dollar fund. The dollar fund helps you save and invest in US dollar instead of naira. It can help protect your money if the naira lose value. The return may go up or down over time, but it's a good option if you are saving in dollar, maybe for study abroad or whatever you are saving for your children or for yourself. You want to relocate. Dollar is a little bit more stable, so this one is a good choice. Although I have to mention that this year the interest rate hasn't been as good as it was a few years back. Like last year was really good. This year it hasn't been so. The interest rate hasn't been so impressive this year, but it's still better than savings accounts for sure. It's still better than savings account or maybe fixed deposit in dollars. Then the third one is Sharia, Stanbic IBTC Sharia Fixed Income Fund. This fund is for people who want to invest according to Islamic principle. It avoids the investment that are not allowed under Islamic finance while still helping your money grow. So after that one is Guarantee Investment Fund. The Guarantee Investment Fund is for people who want to protect their money as much as possible. It focuses more on keeping your money safe than making very high return. So your capital is safe when you invest in this one compared to a few other investments. So the next one is the Enhanced Short-Term Fixed Income. This fund is for people who want a little more return than regular money market fund, but still don't want to take too much risk. So it spread your money across short term and medium term, from trusted government bonds to companies, etc. The first one in equity based fund is Stanbic IBTC Nigeria Equity Fund. Equity based fund, these funds invest in company shares. They can make you more money over a long time, but their value can also go down. They are better for people who can leave their money invested for several years. So if you know you don't have a risk tolerance for stock markets, I would say you should skip these ones. But the thing is that if you know you have a little bit medium risk appetite, not like low risk, you can consider this because they will help you invest in various stocks. and then you can still be making a little bit more money, more than money market fund. Then the next one is the ethical fund. The Nigerian equity fund invests in shares of Nigerian companies, while the ethical fund invests in companies that meet certain ethical standards. And the other one is Iman fund. This one too is for people who want to invest according to Islamic principles. So it's good for long-term investors. Then we have balance fund. This fund means safe investment with company shares. It is good choice if you want better growth than money market, but you don't want to take much risk as investing in only share. So if you are just starting and you are not sure which one to choose, many beginners start with money market fund because it's one of the lower risk option. You can also check the guarantee fund. As you learn more, you become comfortable with investing, you can decide if you want other fund. And that's everything you need to get started on this Stanbic new app. If this video helped you, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, as I'll be making more video like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.